Now keep in mind that I'm an artist and I'm sensitive about my shit.
Of rejection, if you're with me, you're secure. You keep telling me your time is always taken. Keep seeing you out alone. Listen to love, the heart is bounded with desire. Waiting to be unleashed, breaking my heart, breaking my heart, yeah, breaking my heart, yeah, breaking my heart, sugar. Yeah.
Sometime wanna be your lover, sometime wanna be your friend, sometime wanna hug you, hold hands, slow dance while the record spins.
Again and I'm thinking about 2 a.m. again and I'm thinking, should I come through? Can I come kick with you?
I love this color. Like, oh my god, y'all, I was so scared to do this color. And I fucking love it. So I'm about to wash it out with this iron hard water shampoo, and then I'm gonna use some conditioner, thick iron conditioner, and then I'm going to mold it.
2 a.m. again and I'm thinking about, it's 2 a.m. and I'm stuck up thinking about the last time you were behind me, all in the mirror. I could see everything you will be doing. I could see everything looking at me like you love me. No, you don't love me. I never care long as I come first. You come on time, I reverse. You rewind, do it again. Stuck in time, do it again. All you ever say is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me, yeah. You don't ever come. Why you never come? Will you ever come? Come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. Why you never come to me, no? Why you never come to me? Why you never come to me, no? Why are you so hard to leave? Why are you so hard to believe? Could you make it easy for me? I complicated my brain. Swear to God you made me go insane. You love me then you made me feel away. Or how you bring me happiness and pain. You get on my last damn nerves when I say that I'm done. I miss you in the middle of the club. By the end of the night I'm calling you drunk. So if this isn't love, don't waste no time on you. Got to move on cause you got me fucked up. I am confused. From this point on, trust nobody, yeah. Out of my body, blowing my fuse, devil, please cut me loose. Please cut me loose, oh. Come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me, yeah. You don't ever come. Why you never come? Will you ever come? Come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. Why you never come to me, no? Why you never come to me? Why you never come to me, no? Wait for you never come to me. You never too late, fall through. It's 2 a.m. and I'm on you, thinking about you. Never knew another
got way more ups. Let's make love. That be the reason that you always hit me up. I swear, you like the way I feel, cause I get rough. You told me your new man don't make you nut. It's a damn shame. You come here, I knock your pussy out the damn frame. Remember that last time I made you miss your damn plane? Remember that last time I wet you down with champagne? Remember that? And I know I've been the worst, but I love you better if you let me. Let's catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever. Oh my, if only I could pay the bill with my love for you. We'd be the richest in the fucking room. We'd be so comfortable. Girl, it's only you for me. No lie, I'll try what they offer. They're not who I want them to be. That's not an offer to me. If you're around, baby, when you're in with me, feel alone. I was wondering if you always know. It don't have to be perfect, I feel like it's worth it. I know now that I've been the world.
Motherfucking old ass bitch.
Who's there?